you're a buyer or a seller in today's market, this is a video for you. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the top 3 things that home inspectors are really focused in on when they're doing an inspection on a property. Hi everyone, I'm Katie Evans, owner and lead agent of the Living 48 real estate team. Super glad to have you back on one of our video blogs here. So do you know exactly what a home inspector is actually looking for when they're visiting a property? Home inspectors are there to find the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it. Their job is to paint a complete picture of the condition of the home and anything that might affect the buyer's desire to buy it or the value of the property. So today's video, we're talking about the 3 main things that they're looking for, and let's jump right in. So the first one that inspectors really hone in on is, of course, the roof. They're looking for leaks, damaged or missing shingles or tiles, excess debris buildup, those kinds of things that are going to affect the longevity of your roof and how well it is keeping the elements out of your home. Their job is to make sure that everything looks watertight so that you don't run into any major issues down the road based on what they find on the roof. The second thing that our inspectors are really honing in on is the actual structure itself. The foundation is something that they look very closely at. They want to make sure that there are no expanding soils, that everything is really sure and secure, that we don't have any crumbling foundation issues, all those kinds of things. So your foundation and your structure are going to be another piece that the inspector is going to really hone in on. The last one that they're going to look at is basically anything that has to do with your utilities. So we're talking your air conditioning system, your plumbing, your electrical, all those kinds of things are going to be thoroughly inspected to make sure that they're working and that there's no safety compromises happening. If they're damaged or faulty, that could end up being a big repair to the buyer or to the seller, either way. But it's going to be something that is going to be important with whatever buyer or seller you're dealing with. So that is another thing that they're going to be focused in on. So if you're considering buying or selling a house, let's talk about if having a pre-inspection is important or not. Give us a call, let us know what you're considering doing, and let's talk through the important things to do to prepare for that. So if you would like to chat, give me a call directly, 480-415-1341. If you'd like additional videos or written blogs, please head over to our website. Lots of resources for you over there. You can do that at www.living48realestate.com. Thanks for watching our video blog this week, and we'll catch you on our next one.